What is up, everybody? How's it going? Going into the Indianapolis Supercross weekend, well, we have the injury report because you got to keep up with this kind of thing. Maybe you play fantasy, who knows? And we're just going to get right into it. 450 guys, of course, to start because that's where you need to start. Adam Cianciarulo, the guy who has supposedly having work his way back in year, he's in. His wrist is apparently fine or better enough to be lining up. Kyle Chisholm is also in after his little knee issue. Dylan Ferrandis, concussion, out. Whether this is from the first concussion that he got or from Daytona press day where he smashed his head into the ground again, who knows, but he'll be out. Brendan Hartranft, again, constantly for the year. We don't need to really go over that one. Marvin Musquin, also out with a wrist injury. Colt Nichols is out with a head injury. Didn't know this. Went down with Daytona practice and was set out Indy as well. It was a tough day at work in Daytona, said Nichols in a Honda press release. So he'll be out for that. Alex Ray is in with his little thumb injury. Justin Rodbell, torn Achilles, he'll be out. Malcolm Stewart is out with the knee injury, of course, because, well, he'll be out for a long time with that. And as we are on the East Coast, we've got the East Coast, or 250 East Coast guys. So let's just start this off with the Pro Circuit guys, because, of course, why would they not be here? Seth Hammaker is out with the arm and wrist injury that he suffered early in the year, so who knows? No word on when he might be back to the gate. Preston Kilroy with his both destroyed arms, he'll be out for a while. Garrett Marchbanks is also out with a wrist. Michael Mosman apparently is banged up. He apparently crashed last week and everyone thought he was fine, but he'll be sitting out this weekend. I hope he can be back for Detroit. Nick Romano is also out with a knee. Joe Shimoda is out with a collarbone, but apparently he has been riding, if I'm not mistaken about that. If I remember some posts, maybe? Angelique Swall is also out with an arm injury. So that's your Indianapolis 250 and 450 Supercross injury report. Hopefully you're up to date with this with your fantasy or whatever you do. But if you've gotten to this point, go down there, leave a comment. Who do you think's going to win Indy? Who do you want to win? Who's going to win a championship? Whatever you want to do. Just make sure you comment it down below. And as you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because, well, playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me a lot. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.